So here, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Let's wait for Nanay. Here, Luis.
Turn around.
Saan yung pangmuka? Come here.
Ayan.
Stand up. And let's put some...
Lagyan mo pa rin
mukha
siya.
muna. Come here. We need to put sunblock. So your skin will not get burned.
Sunburn.
Sunburn, yeah.
Huh?
Nga!
You still have lots of sunblock.
Wear your best na, kuya.
Alright. I will tie your shorts pa. Stand up muna.
Hi! Hi!
Look after Luis, ha?
Right.
Does your arm still hurt? No, not anymore. Very good. It's working.
We're on this roller coaster ride. Hold on, I'll stay here by your side. We head up to the sky, then we slide back down. Upside down, try to figure out. Not sure if we could work it out. I wanna be alone, but you feel like home. Answer the phone. I know that you're home. I wanna get you alone and do it again, do it again. Answer the phone. I know that you're home. I wanna get you alone and do it again, do it again.
Remove your vest muna.
Ay, walang hot sauce.
Gawan mo nga din ako niyan, Nay. Wait lang.
Gusto ko din puhaan si Kuya.
Gutom si kuya.
Pero sa bagay, mag-gutom din siya.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hungry? Can you say hi to the camera?
Hi, camera!
The signals all are flashing red. It doesn't matter what was said. This bed is much too big without me and you. This all seems so ridiculous. Why can't we just get over this? Don't make me say the obvious without you.
Are you just going to play or are you going to swim?
I'm probably gonna do both.
Still want to swim pa?
I'm just gonna play, but when I want to, I'm gonna swim.
Go get your best when you want to swim.
Alright.
Are you going to play or are you going to swim?
Play!
Play only?
Yes.
Are you going to swim later?
Yes.
Okay, just go get your floaty when you're going to swim, ah.
Okay.
Thank you, kuya.
I'm gonna go back to Hona.
Come here, eat ka muna, Lucas.
Later, but eat first. Nag-add lang siya ng extra cheese, no?
Kaya nga eh, pero sabi ko ihiwalay eh. It's heavy.
I know that you're home. I wanna get you alone
isang cosmopolitan. Ano sa'yo, Nay?
Margarita.
Isang margarita. Tsaka isang datu dawang. Room service lang.
Last room number
2104. Sige. Thank you.
May lamok na.
Go inside na. Can you speak?
Hello.
Okay. So now will be our last night here at the Discovery Samal.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because tomorrow we'll be going home na eh.
Yes.
We will just be having breakfast and head straight to the airport.
Yes.
So, as for day 3 lang muna, kuya. What did you enjoy most about the rest of the day for today?
I enjoyed the beach.
The beach, no? Because it's sunny right now, eh, no?
Yes.
Kanina pinag-usapan namin ni Nanay. Buong stay namin dito ngayon lang umaraw, eh. So, as for, kumbaga, parang kung buong stay namin gloomy, parang hindi mo ma-appreciate masyado yung ganda nung resort. So, ayun, buti umaraw. Na-enjoy namin yung full day talagang sulit. Tapos na-appreciate namin yung ganda ng resort itself. Ikaw, Nay, what can you say about the whole day?
I like the weather lang. Nag-enjoy tayo sa facilities. Well, nag-enjoy din naman. Pero mas maganda syempre.
Nang ini-enjoy ng maaraw, no?
What's your favorite part of the hotel?
Davao.
So, ayun, did you enjoy your stay here?
Yeah.
Yeah, say goodbye to them na. Tomorrow, we will be on the plane na. Bye!
Bye bye.
I remember the way you called your